So guys, for the first step, once you're on the screen, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. Shift and F10, which will now pull up the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in select space disk space and then the disk number of the drive you want to install Windows on. You're going to know which size is which. It's going to be showing a number right here. For me, I've only got one disk, which is 0. I'm going to type in select disk 0. This is the drive I'm going to install Windows on. So you want to type in select disk and then your drive number and then click on enter. And now you want to type in clean and then click on enter. And now you want to type in convert space GPT. Click on enter again. And now you want to type in create space partition space primary. Click on enter. And now you want to type in format space fs equals ntfs space quick. And then click on enter again. For the last one, you want to type in assign and then click on enter. We can now close out of this. Select your disk and then click on create partition. And then click on apply. Select your disk again and then click on next and it should be working for you. If it's not working, then you want to format your partition, click on next and then you should be good to go.